Hello everyone and welcome to Flex Finance. Did you know that you can earn money by listening to music? Yes, some websites pay you money for listening to your favorite songs on internet radio, testing out short music samples, or rating new music. Why do these websites pay you? Such websites pay users so they'll review the music of recent and upcoming singers and songwriters. These websites require feedback from a large range of individuals to assist musical artists to find the direction they have for his or her songs. Listening to music to earn money isn't only fun, but also an easy way to make an extra cash. In this video, I'll show you the way to make $10 every 5 minutes by listening to music for absolutely free. And guess what? You don't need any experience and it's easy and free. So please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a new video on new methods, strategies, and tips on how to make money online. Also, give this video a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment or question below. Let's dive right in. Making money online while listening to music is very simple. For some, you just need to join a website and create your profile. After the approval of your profile, you can start the work. You're supposed to do two things: listening and reviewing. Listen to the songs of new and upcoming artists and write reviews about them. For others, you might be asked to rate or transcribe lyrics. The more you listen, the more money you earn. Here's a list of the ways to earn $10 every 5 minutes by listening to music. Number 1. Rating songs. A lot of internet websites pay you to rate music. Music X-Ray and Hit Predictor are the two safe and reliable options that pay you for rating songs. For both websites, you simply have to listen to songs. Hit Predictor focuses on new artists and musical compositions. You get to rate songs by up-and-coming bands and singers. When you rate a song, you earn points. After you reach a particular number of points, you can exchange the points for various things like money, Amazon/Xbox gift cards, CDs, DVDs. On the other hand, Music X-Ray has songs from all genres, so you'll be able to pick those you would like to concentrate on. You may also get notified whenever a song from your selected genre pops up. With Music X-Ray, if you hear a song for 30 seconds, you will earn $0.10. If you hear the whole song, you'll be able to make $1. Gradually, these payouts accumulate and you'll earn around $100 to $200 per month. With such companies or programs, you'll simply join up as a member and they will email you new songs to listen to. You're usually required to listen and review the songs within 24 hours or a selected time frame. With such help with music promotion and the more people you refer, the more you get paid, apart from what you get paid for actually listening/rating songs. Number 2. Transcribing lyrics. You can find multiple online transcription jobs that include lyrics transcription. If you utilize your iPhone, you'll transcribe lyrics for apps like WeLocalize and earn around $4 per transcription. Although WeLocalize could be a popular transcription service, it's only compatible with iOS users as its music database is on iTunes. To join their team of transcriptionists, you must download the app and make an account. Then, watch the introduction video to get started. You can pick your genre preferences and only hear songs you prefer. This involves more work than simply listening to music, but if you're one of those who follow together with the lyrics of songs you hear, it shouldn't be plenty of labor for you. So try to do this. Of course, it's not the maximum amount of work as trying to earn money from playing quiz online, but it's certainly still some work. Number 3. A list of websites that pay. You can also listen to a song and complete online surveys about them and might earn up to $350 per month. Here are the top paying music survey websites that pay you to complete surveys by listening to music. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a super popular way for internet users to earn some cash. While also hearing a number of most recent music before anyone else does, with Slice the Pie, you'll be paying attention to and rating new music by artists who want your feedback. You've got to concentrate on a minimum of 60 seconds of the song before you start writing a review about the songs, but it's best to pay attention to all or any of it so you'll have an in-depth review. Music X-Ray. Music X-Ray seems to be open worldwide for participants above 13 years old, but certain demographics may apply to rate different songs or artists. It allows you to create money by paying attention to a minimum of the primary 30 seconds of a song. You get paid via PayPal once you earn $20. Radio Loyalty. Radio Loyalty helps you create $0.03 for every 10 minutes of music listening on the radio-style platform. Check back every half an hour to point out you are still listening. You get paid via Visa gift cards. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars get you paid to pay attention to music. Check your email, surf the net, take surveys, watch videos, play games, and take a look at special offers. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is also partnered with Radio Loyalty, but includes a $5 sign-up bonus and pays your cash to use it. You'll be able to also make money doing surveys, watching videos, etc. Earnably. Earnably is another brand that partnered with Radio Loyalty. They also offer additional ways to make money online. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor permits you to earn money by reviewing songs based on how much you like them. You'll be able to also refer people to earn even more cash. You get paid via gift cards and other items. They pay users to concentrate on music and share their feedback about it. Users simply must sign in and choose their type of music, hear the sample of music provided, and rate it. Unique Rewards. Unique Rewards pays you to listen to internet radio. If you are a resident of the US, the UK, or Canada, check back every half an hour to point out that you are still active and listening. You get paid via PayPal once you've got $20. Current.us. Current.us is an Android/iOS based mobile app that pays you around $600 per year for playing music on your devices. It's one in every of the 4 most rewarding apps if you wish to come up with passive income by listening to songs. Research FM. Research FM is a music research company that pays you to supply feedback for radio stations on what music to play. The corporate asks its users to fill out a survey via email. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is a great website if you wish to earn passive income by listening to the radio. You begin by signing up for a profile, and once you're done, you'll start listening and earning money. If you are a webmaster, you'll be able to integrate the radio on your website for other users to listen to. Collect FM. Collect FM may be a Netherlands-based startup that connected music creators and makers with curators from everywhere around the globe. As a curator or a listener, you'll be able to join Collect and be part of the experts community. The methods during this video are relatively fast and very easy ways to earn $10 every 5 minutes listening to music. If you have learned from this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this channel to get first-class information anytime I post my next video. See you in the next one.